Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off notifications for group board updates on Pinterest. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Tap on your profile icon, then tap on three dots icon. Next, select settings and then notifications. After that, open by email. Now, under social, you can find group board updates. Unselect the button beside it, and that's it. You will now no longer receive email notifications for group board updates on Pinterest. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.